Welcome to Homestead Gains, everyone. Just wanted to give you a quick update. You remember we were doing the apple cider vinegar in this large crock. We got it all skimmed out. I lost all the video footage for that, so I'm just giving you the final view here. We got 6 jars of apple cider vinegar out of this. It's very tasty. It's pungent, which it's supposed to be. It's vinegar after all. And I've been taking about a shot a night ever since then. So this one's kind of wore out. They were all full. But this is what you come up with when you make your own apple cider vinegar.
Our homestead is surrounded by apple orchards. This part of New York, up by the shores of Lake Ontario, is blessed with an excellent climate for apple growing. And Laura and I chose to make this with locally grown apples that were not sprayed with any chemicals. I know why the large fruit farms use fungicide and insecticide, but we chose to use the purest fruit we can get for our vinegar. So what is apple cider vinegar? Well, the main compound is acetic acid, and that gives it its tart flavor. The cloudy area inside is known as the mother, and it's comprised of protein strands and enzymes and good bacteria. It's got B vitamins, polyphenols, and it acts as a probiotic. This is shown to help stabilize blood sugar and curb your appetite, but you can also use it for cleaning and disinfecting. One of the things we do with these bottles that we found is we're able to burp the bottles so the pressure doesn't build up inside. When you release that latch, you lift up on the cork and let a little bit of gases out. Keeps it fresh and keeps it stable. Be sure to check the description down below for some important links.
Here's to you.